is Mile Coulee of San Ostanti Real Estate. You won't want to miss our latest listing here in Tuscany. Come check it out. This is a meticulously cared for home, from the Brazilian cherry wood floors to the custom millwork in the basement. With 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs, this is a perfect family home. Welcome to your own private backyard oasis. Before you know it, you're going to be having summer barbecues with your friends and family. Rated one of the top neighborhoods in Calgary to live in, Tuscany is perfect for active families. Give us a call today and this house could be yours.